Pune Karwar is departing, maybe going to platform 11 now. It is Hubli Belgavi non-stop. Where are the depot? Last time I found one depot, I'm not finding one this time. And the first two platforms, we explore some other place. Aurangabad bus. Just the front it is only there. Dailunga. Same bus runs to Aurangabad to Delhi. Madgaon Gokak was parked there. Anywhere they'll park. This I took. There was a depot inside. Which they didn't allow last time. In this gap, I'll try to take Corona sleeper coach. Inside they don't allow. Airavat is there. So many local buses are there. Green color. Airavat is at 12:05 now to 8 1 hour. Bangalore Chennai Airavat 7:03 now. Wearing mask, this part is a bit smelly. No new bus, Madgaon Gokak. No new buses now. Which is parked. So that bus which came now, let's see. Eichar bus. See this bus. Dailunga. What is it? Dailunga. Full speed on buses. Our Sangli bus went. Somewhere here we had Neeraj. Where that bus went here? It's gone there. Talikati Vasco is parked there. Belagavi Kudichi. Vijaypur, I've seen all this. It's that Ulta Park bus. Before it goes to depot. Which goes to Kannada both difficult. One of it one went already to depot. Went. Where's the board? Side on Neeraj, this platform. Okay, Kutsi bus is leaving 11:06. There's a Ilkal bus. Mapsa Belgaum Ilkal. Vasco Ilkal. Vasco, not Mapsa. So the inside of the new bus stand. Where is the board? I have to ask the fellow. Where is the board information? So this Uber Gandhi or something, I don't know. Kattana Bhavi, I don't even notice places. India ATM is outside. I seen in Chikkodi, so I have in Belgaum also ATM. Jharkhand there's so many buses, on Vithai buses. It should be one place you miss, and another place they come. From depot they come. I think I captured this initially. Haliyar some buses going, which I am missing. I think I saw this bus starting on Vithai. Kolhapur and Pune, so Kolhapur bus. So much crowd. Quickly. Kolhapur bus Vithai. And same RTC Kolhapur and this NWKRTC Kolhapur. Together. So that one Pune. Haliyar Pune district. Pune. Some new buses have come, Davangere, Kolhapur, see new buses. When I entered, they were not there. Pune are a mixed area. Aliar, Dandeli. Starts from which place I don't know. Vijaypur I think. Vijaypura, Belagavi, Dandeli. Belagavi, Khanapur. Vithai bus. Maharashtra. Belagavi, Pune. Belagavi, Ramnagar. Time now is 11:09. It's like increase the brightness so much, but this is Chikkala Belagavi. He told to put it on the platform. Find some new bus and continue now. That is Khanapur. Davangere bus is going. I think it's going to Kolhapur. I think it's come from Davangere. Early morning must have left Davangere 5:30. Now around 11 it's come. 11:10 has to be departing. The board orders. One more bus is coming. Which one? I'll wait there only. Sometimes on platform they bring inside. Other bus is no problem. So this bus here. Kolhapur. Belagavi, Kolhapur. From Kolhapur there are no bus only to Belgaum. Belgaum there are so many. Vita at least so many people. I'm sure na Kolhapur. Saudatti, Kolhapur. Baramati, Belagavi, nice, long distance. Baramati. Nira, Lonand, Satara, Karad, Kolhapur, Belagavi. Student pass not allowed. After Lonand, some depots and buses are coming there. January, I'll wait here only. 11, 12, no. 11. So this bus, some place to Khanapur to Belagavi. 4 kil something. Vadgaon. I'll go inside one more round hour. Big Kanagali. Don't know where that's from. I'll wipe the lens. Ramnagar, Kolhapur. Ramnagar is near Londa. 3 kilometers ahead of Londa. Belagavi, Khanapur. This bus. Local Santi bus was nearby. I think almost half an hour this game. I'll pause and tell all that cleaning and all that. Enough I think. Go home. Butika Valpala and Chennai eating. I didn't bring any cash. I came without any cash. Nice looking Janewadi bus. Like that Andhra Kerala type buses they look. I wait here and inside I miss these. I'll do one more round inside and come back. Continue later. 11:15 now. 11:13 a.m. Which is this place I don't know. Hindi is Madakatti I think. Lost the English part. This is a Majgaon bus or local. Majgaon local. Angkol. This is which bus? 34. Atimadi or something. Where is it? This is Belagavi. Ramdur to Kadi. New buses come now to platform. When I go here, there new buses come. When I come here, there that side new buses come. So I Vasco Talukoti bus. I saw that one. Almost about to become 11:15 now. Hubli, Davangere. And where it comes? Chelkaranji. This bus was not there before. Chelkaranji, Davangere. There was some Davangere buses. This is Dharwad. Kittur, not non-stop. Waits at Kittur and to Belagavi non-stop. Hubli. Lalpur is there, which I want to see. So that I see the buses here. Vijayapura from there. Belagavi. Non-stop Dharwad. You see that bus is going. This is Vijaypur Belagavi. Gone, going, coming. This is Bairangal, same one. Mini Khanapur bus, I should not wait in the middle now. Go at the side, so they come. So I'll go at the side. I'll see if at Lalpuri, maybe I've seen. Fully non-stop. Fully Belagavi. So this one is leaving, I don't know. Pune Karwar is leaving. Satara, Kolhapur, Haliyal, Dandeli. Actually, this bus is coming from this side now. Missed the board. Without board, it is put now. Bus are cut. See this bus, how it is inside. Lalpuri. No board. No board. Driver showed and till now they not put board. Just park. I'll go back now. Oh, nice bus. I search where is the board. No big board over proper of all the buses. Yes, I removed it. Benongal bus again parked here. See this one. Belongal one. Gokak, Belongal, many buses you get. Chikkodi also. See that one? Yes, sir. Platform में ले राजन सा किधर याद आपका? Mostly Hubli or Dharwad non-stop. Without board. Let's see what board they'll give. Belagavi Hubli non-stop is there. Those we saw Vijaypur. NK, formally NK also see Chikkodi. I'll see which are these. Mostly Dharwad Hubli non-stop. Hubli non-stop Rajansa. So Dharwad non-stop. 11:18 now. I can't wait for under 35 minutes at Airavat. It may come in 15 minutes. I don't know if it's Delhi. Where to wait also I don't know. One bus went. Picture can Davangere is still here. Vijaypura so you have many buses. Which is this? Vijaypura. I'll ask this information. Where is the board of Belgaum? Main board. So I asked no board is on the bus are not ready. This may be that Talikoti bus or which? Gangavati, Kolhapur, Gangavati. Javagal Express. Let me see if it is the same one. So the Vijaypura came just now. Those are two already. Miraj, Pukeri is behind. Vasco Ilkal. There's Kolhapur Gangavati. Vasco Talikoti. I'll go that side only. They're all boring buses. And they enter at it. Even if they come there, it's okay. Leave. Where the Airavat comes, I don't know. Kind of. If it doesn't come here and it goes off from that side, and then one bus came. Which one? Green one. Sankeshwar Belagavi. This now came. Kolhapur Belagavi. Airavat comes that side if it's not here. Where that Belongal bus and all over there, no? 12 o'clock it comes, he's saying. I think it will come before only. Vithai bus is still there. So new buses have come. Belagavi, Pune. Eicher, slow. I think we went in Eicher. Finally, Pune versus Nippani, Kolhapur. Pune, 11:22. This one I saw. Dandeli was Vijaypur. Sana. Kolhapur, all waiting in a line. Kolhapur, this also Kolhapur. I'll also go out now to Vitai bus now. 11:22. Vitai nice bus. Even it till Pune hai. Kolhapur is short. Kolhapur, Belagavi. No. Quite a lot of it. Come in the early morning, evening time, I think. Night or evening, then you will get long distance. After 8 o'clock night, 7 or evening, you will get long distance. Again, I'll put maps and go. Small path. Then know the route. No bus here. On the way, if I think bus will continue. One local bus is coming. Leave the local buses. They either go in Belagavi or within like some 1 hour. Within 50 kilometers. Police in the middle of the road. I think Vadgaon, local. Vadgaon is an area. Bike is here, no? That's it. No more bus. And line में buses are coming. It looks nice. They're driving. 4-5 buses coming here. It's a new building. That side is a bit visible. The main building is here. I think that police can put fine. Have you already put? It's a new building. Construction work in progress. I can go more front, I won't go more front. Here only I'll take. Along with video only I'll take separately. I don't know how nice it will come here. Okay.